If your range vent hood motor is humming, here are the two most probable causes. Usually, when the vent motor's blower motor hums but the shaft doesn't turn, the motor shaft bearings have worn out. Some older motors will have oil spouts, which allow you to add oil to the bearings so the motor shaft can once again turn freely. However, attempting to lubricate most newer motors is not recommended, and you should simply replace the motor with a new one to solve the problem. It's also possible that a damaged fan blade or blower wheel could be responsible for the humming sound. Check to see if the fan blade spins freely by hand, or if there is any obstruction in the blower housing. If the blade or blower wheel have trouble spinning, you will probably need to replace the component, and possibly the housing as well. Both of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your range vent hood.